Hey.
Hey.
It's a Friday.
Cinema
Are
Friday.
we going to do nothing for Saturday or Sunday? Let's do a video. Kentucky Rain.
I'm excited.
It ain't raining.
Nope.
But I ain't in Kentucky.
I'm excited. We do such good albums together. Never did yet. Let's do it.
7 lonely days in a dozen towns ago. I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, but you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home.
I'm walking in the rain, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, and my love too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong.
Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph, some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a country store. They said, yes, she'd been here, but the memories wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before.
Finally got a ride with the preacher man who asked where you bound to on such a dark and cold afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, he listened, I explained, and he left me with the prayer that I'd find you.
Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through
With the rain in my shoes,
searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain, 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 in the cold Kentucky rain.
thank you, Rob.
Kentucky. Love you.
Love you. Thank
Always.
you.
Every last one of you.
Thank you.